And I'm going to end by just doing a quick demo here. I have a computer running Windows 7, and just to show you the sort of this instant accessibility. This one has an NFC reader on it, so I just have a little NFC tag, but I also have a ring that you could use. And this is for someone who needs a keyboard, and they just come up to the device and there's a keyboard on screen. And so when they walk away, the keyboard disappears. You could have someone who needs to have a screen reader, for example, although I think I've got this thing muted in deference to the previous speaker. There we go. So if somebody comes up to any computer anywhere, the ability to have it so that, okay? And yet, when they go away, it disappears. If you've ever had a computer where somebody left the screen reader on and you're not able to use it. But imagine a teacher who's got to keep setting up different computers, or in a shared workspace, different people walk up to the computer. But we can make things very different. So let's say we have somebody who can't deal with technology at all, and you want to have a very, very simple. We can actually have it so that the entire interface changes, and you can see there's nothing here. There's no scroll bars, there's no menu bars, there's no nothing. There's just a simple mailbox and a photo album and a contact registry. And each of these then also operates very simply. In this case, mail looks like mail, and things like this. So, but this is not a special program. This is a different interface. This is actually Gmail, Picasa, and Google. So this is the standard stuff that you use every day. It looks really complex, but we can make it look really, really simple. And then when she walks away, it just disappears. And when she goes to a new computer, it pops up exactly like it was on the old computer. And so we even have some of these things that we're doing for, this one is for farmers in Africa, where they can't can't read at all, and so an entire interface that will address their needs in this fashion. And then this is entirely cloud-based accessibility, so then we have the ability to log into cloud systems and be able to now access the computer using AT that's in the cloud. So these are the kinds of things that are coming, and these are the things that are possible with cloud computing. But we need to figure out how to make it, as I said, so that it's ubiquitous and it costs a lot less for people to integrate. But there's a great potential here in cloud computing, and it can seriously reduce the cost for accessibility and increase accessibility. Thank you.